Hey guys. No, start. I like the. Welcome to Seasoned by Sydney. If you're new here, I'm Sydney and I'm all about health and wellness. So today we are making Chipotle mashed sweet potatoes. This is a delicious fall holiday side dish that is pretty healthy. Like, it has a little butter in it, but if you are vegan, you can leave the butter out or use vegan butter. And it's just super delicious. Like, my whole family loves it. Vegans, vegetarians, carnivores, omnivores. I've made this plenty of times and everybody always asks me to make it again. My brother actually requested that I do this video so he can get the recipe. Like, I haven't already given it to him a million times. So we're gonna make a video. I'm using my handy dandy Instapot because it's gonna make it super quick. But before we get started, you already know, like, subscribe, hit that little bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. So go ahead and put your cut and peeled taters into your Instapot. And we're gonna cover it with about a cup of water. The temperature of the water doesn't matter. Now we're gonna put our top on and make sure it clicks. And then we're gonna turn the knob to sealing. Now it's gonna take a few minutes for the Instapot to heat up, but we're gonna cook this for 8 minutes on manual. While that's cooking, we can go ahead and make our honey butter. I've got some room temperature butter and raw honey, and I'm just gonna mix them together until they're combined. I feel like this adds a nice sweet note to go with the spiciness of the chipotle peppers. If you're a vegan, you can use vegan butter, but don't use the honey because honey is not vegan. And it'll still be good. Once the timer goes off, we're gonna let it sit with the knob facing towards sealing for another 6 minutes. Then we're gonna turn the knob to venting and let all the air release for another 5 minutes. Now that it's done releasing the steam, we're gonna poke our potatoes and make sure they're cooked through. Go ahead and strain the excess water out. Make sure you strain nicely so they're not watery. And now we're gonna mix in all the fun stuff. You can use a whisk for this part if you don't have a potato masher. Make sure you taste. And now you've got a delicious holiday side dish that everybody at the table is gonna love because it's sweet and it's spicy and it catches people off guard with its delicious fall flavor. And this is great with salmon or chicken and some sauteed kale or Brussels sprouts. You don't have to have it just on Thanksgiving. I make it all throughout the fall and everybody loves it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and I hope you add it to your holiday rotation. Introduce your family to something new on the holiday table. It's as delicious as it is healthy, so that's one of my favorite things about it. I'm excited to dig in. I hope you enjoyed my dedication to dressing and doing my makeup like a sweet potato. I really was dedicated to this video today, so like, subscribe, hit that bell notification if you love me, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. you.